Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we are going to see what exactly drawing down is. The name drawing comes with extrusion. So what happens, you need to form thin pipes or a pipe which of a subscribed position or of a subscribed dimension, and how it is made we are going to see in this video. So when I talk about basic drawing process, it is a cold working process, and in the diagram it is shown there is an opening through which the material passes. It can be in the form of a rod, it can be in the form of a billet also, or in the form of a bloom. So it has to pass, means your rod has to pass through that small opening, and while passing through that opening, the size of the rod is reducing. Whatever size it may be, it gets reduced. This process is known as drawing down. It is reducing plastically. Again, I'm telling you, you can't use a brittle object in this. Ductile material can be used for drawing down process, and the objects reduce plastically. So what happens due to this? Strength and hardness of the material increases in drawing down process. So many number of rolled object can be made by doing the drawing down process. Plastic can again be made, of any other material also it can be made. So in drawing down process, plastic, metal or any of the materials can be used for making rods, blooms, billets, etc. And plastic flow is an important factor in drawing down process. So material originally should have high strength. So due to that high strength, material won't break while doing the process. So high strength is a major property. Material should be plastic enough to get deformed, and also material should be able to form different types of objects which is required, like your rods, blooms, billets, etc. In this diagram, you can see various shapes which are produced by drawing down process. So as I have told you, only circular rods are not made. You can make rods or any other bloom or billet of different shape. Only the opening of that shape should be of the shape which is required. So in this way, drawing down process takes place. Drawing down process can also be stated as tube drawing. So in tube drawing, what happens is your section gets thinner, but as the name is tube, it is a circular section. So again, it can be classified into various types which can be shown in our video. So these are the basic three types in which the tube is classified. So tube drawing can be classified as tube sinking, or your mandrel can be used, or else a plug can be used. So we'll see one by one all the three types. So in this diagram, you can see there is a single die which has the shape of the object to be made. Your object is passing through the die and it is moving in a forward direction. This is a general drawing process which is your tube sinking process. This is a second drawing down process which is a fixed plug process. In this, a plug is fixed at the entrance of your die. Material is passing, but because of the plug, the interior part of your material gets the shape of that plug. So this is a plug fixed process. And the last part is your moving mandrel types. Instead of a plug, you are using a mandrel. So what happens, your mandrel is rotating, and it also helps in giving the internal structure or your internal shape to your object. So mandrel is moving, it is passing continuously through the die, and material is forced through the mandrel. So a circular object can be made as your final product. So these are the different tube drawing processes. So in this way, on a lump sum way, our drawing process is explained. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel Ekeeda.